All right, now that we have created our results table, it's time for us to create and actually run the regression that we want to have in our analysis. So again, we're on the output tab. That's where we're finding all of the output. If you want to just go up to analyze here, you can, and go to regression, linear. Your dependent variable goes up here, so I'm going to come click variable names here, and I'm going to say I'm predicting how tired someone is, and I'm going to put in social media bed, and then I'm going to put them in the same order that I have been dealing with them. So age, and then how many television shows have you binge watched recently, and how stressed are you? So my research question again is, I think that the amount of social media that you use right before bed will predict how tired you feel when you wake up to your alarm, even after controlling for your age, the amount of shows that you've binge watched recently, and the stress that you feel. And then I'm just going to click OK down here. And it has some stuff here. So come on down to the ANOVA and the coefficients. Hold on for a sec. Yeah, I just want to go over to our example here before I get too far into the results. So that was how to run it, but then when we write it up, we're looking for a few things. Your primary hypothesis should be tested using multiple regression to control for 3 variables that may confound your hypothesis. Describe these control variables, what you did to rule it out, i.e. by controlling for it in the analysis. Describe results for the regression model and state results in words grandma could understand. So I examined the relationship between how many minutes, this is another example, how many minutes a person exercised and their energy level after controlling for their hours of sleep, their calorie intake, and their stress level. Results of the regression model suggest there was a significant relationship between how many minutes participants exercised and their energy levels, even after controlling for hours of sleep and their stress level. The relationship between hours of sleep and calorie intake was not significant. Okay, and then here's your English. So first you have to tell them what you're going to do, and then you have to describe it in all mathy language, and then you have to describe it to grandma. Okay, so there's 3 parts of this paragraph. And I'm going to come back over here. And here's my coefficients table. I'm going to move this coefficients table over to an APA results table. So all you need is the variable name that I'm going to use. You can either use the variable name or you can like spell it out in a few more words. And then you need the B here. And I guess we'll put a constant here too. The constant is there for everything. And you just grab it 2.133. And then I'm going to look at the significance value and add the right number of stars that I need. So this is 0.000. So I'm going to add 3 stars. Okay. How long do you usually spend on each activity during the final 2 hours of sleep? Checking social media. So that's my media one. I've got negative 0.172. Negative 0.172. Look for the significance value, 0.000. So that's 3 stars. And I'm doing that by convention, which is, I'm going to even add a note here. 3 stars is italicized P less than 0.001. 2 stars is P less than 0.01. 1 star is P less than 0.05. Okay. Then I go and find age, 0.016. And the significance value is 0.438. So I'm not going to do any stars. binged watch shows is negative 0.039. And there are no stars here. And then stress is 0.139. And then this has 1 star because it's less than 0.05, but not less than 0.01. So I've got 1 star there. And let's even come in here and center them. Okay, so then that's how you make the table.